Hi, it's cocktail time. My favorite part of the day, and pretty much favorite part of anyone's day, is cocktail hour. Now, to make any house a happy house, you have to have a cocktail first. So I have created a cocktail out of champagne, which is every woman's favorite, and bourbon, which is also one of my favorites. So we're going to be making a cocktail mixing the masculine and the feminine. So bourbon is very masculine liquor and champagne very feminine. So we are going to be mixing it with one more note, vanilla syrup. Vanilla is a natural aphrodisiac, so it really gets you going. And the bubbles make you light and flirty, and the bourbon helps you get down to business. So this cocktail is called Stripper Housewife. I've made the vanilla syrup beforehand. It's very easy to make. You take 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, melt it down when it boils, and then you pour it over 2 vanilla beans that you've sliced down the center. And then you just let it sit, and you have vanilla syrup that you've made yourself. So to make this cocktail, you pour a little tiny bit of vanilla syrup in the bottom. And I'm going to make 4 cocktails. This one needs a little bit more. There we go. Vanilla syrup to start. A little bit of bourbon, my favorite part. And then finally, you end with the champagne. Off the top with champagne. Stripper Housewife. Cheers. That's delicious.